You have to understand that the tars in bark and wood are 10 times thicker than in a cigarette. See, when it's cigarettes, I can tell people to take green tobacco, juice it, ferment it with a little, a couple of drops of lemon juice and vinegar. And those acids, those alcohols and acids that are created from the fermentation will go in there and dissolve smoke tars in the system. But you can't do that with wood. I've seen people with smoke tar damage from burning wood, but this is the most I've seen. What we can try here is take a tablespoon of coconut oil, let's do it differently. Take a half a cup of coconut oil and a half a cup of olive oil. I would like you to put a tablespoon of lemon juice in each one and a tablespoon and a half of vinegar in each one. I want you to shake them every day. After about 3 weeks, take about a quarter of a teaspoon, make it a half a teaspoon with one of your vegetable juices. You can mix it in. I'd rather you not, because it'll coat the glass and it won't get into your mouth. I'd rather you put it directly in your mouth and then sip your vegetable juice.